So I'm just going to ask each of the academics to give one example of a data set or something like data which they would like to have access to, which they currently can't get access to, and why that would be useful. So Victor, you've already given us a foresight of yours, so I'll let you go first.
Okay, so I think the Lands Department, okay, obviously. Another government department is the hospital authority. And I think if we can get data from the hospital authority, they will allow us to analyze the relationship between, let's say, air pollution and asthma attacks, things like that. Yeah.
Great.
I think, just like you, John, I'm actually interested in seeing if the police can give us access to data relating to prosecution, crime, and activity broken down across the different vectors that I talked about in my presentation. Thanks.
Okay, thank you. The first is probably Lands Department's data for us to build a better urban digital twin for smart city applications. For illegal dumping of construction waste, I probably need more some data from EPD or from some legal cases descriptions. Thank you.
So I'm interested in the genomic data for the from the pathogens, and I think the laboratory, the virological laboratory or bacterial laboratory from the Department of Health can, if they can open the genomic data that they sequence from their samples, would be very useful for other scientists to also jointly and analyze the data to understand the disease better.
Okay, so Stacey, you get to say one thing you would like to change in order to make things better for access to data.
Okay, I'm going to talk about data in my own house then, in the Hong Kong U Archives. I've had a project in mind for a number of years about records that we'd like to digitize in order to make them available to a much wider audience, and also to minimize wear and tear on our pre-war records. And it's an enormous undertaking. You're talking about 1,000 linear feet or more of images and records from pre-1945. And, or in my case, I might stretch it to like 48. But yeah, when I think about being the provider right now, that's my heart's desire.
Okay, thank you very much.